Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design. Today I'm doing a spread for my decorative journal, and this is where I take dot grid paper. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that on there, but it's dot grid paper and I decorate anywhere, I journal anywhere. This is just for the whole week. So what I have pre-planned to do is, I think it's Shark Day or something as well, but it's Shark Week. The week of, is it the 8th? I think it's the 8th. The week of the 8th is Shark Week. And I have two options. Who knew I had two shark options? But apparently I do. I have wall decals that I've used the octopus and the squid from. But I've got wall decals and I can use him along with some other bits, and I am kind of tempted, but I also have baby shark, baby shark, again, wall decals from Dollar Tree. I was like, what's it called? Dollar Tree. Yeah, my brain says these because they're fun and they're bright and they're colourful. But these have been in my stash longer. But I think we're going baby shark. I think we're going baby shark. These are the very vinyl-y type ones. But yes, what I'm thinking is if I do the baby shark, oh, hang on, this one's sticking. These are removable, by the way, if you use them. These are removable. I think we might do baby shark, mummy, daddy, because, you know, mummy, daddy. And then baby here, maybe. I think baby there. Might use these little bits. I don't think I want to use the whole family, but I do think I want to use these bits. If I can get them off the sheet. If I can get them off the sheet. Those might come in. But I think these seaweedy bits, I don't know where that's going yet, but let's put it there for now. Seaweedy bits. And I think the little baby fishes, the little fishes are coming in. And the only thing we leave is the family. I've had a few thoughts on what I could do to create some journaling space. I mean, clearly I can write in all the gaps, right? But, and I'm thinking like a light blue ocean colored pen. What I think is, I've got two options. I can go black boxes. I can go black boxes, or I can go, see, I got this out because I thought bright colors. I might bring in those, I don't know. But I thought these as well, like a couple of little bubbles around. Strangely, I know, who knew? But I like the quotes. I think the quotes match the vibe of this. I might plan your best life. So I might use those quotes. I'm not sure about the boxes. Does anybody think we should use bright boxes? Because I mean, that blue is a great match. The pink is a great match. I don't have a yellow. Why do I not? Oh, other than the circles. I could use the circles. That's a different pink. Different pink. And then as the week progresses, I could use some of these. Other than those that got gold in them. But like these, they have got some red in them though. Anybody? I don't know. Here's the thing. I don't know that I want anything competing with the sharks. Let me have a look what boxes I've got in this black box. And this is how I store. Somebody asked how I store like printables. This is what I do. I have a hanging filing cabinet thing that lives in my closet. I will be doing a room tour at some point. I have these, and the whole top drawer is full of like sticker paper, like extension packs, etc., etc. Let me know if you want to see more of that, actually. But yes, I've got all of these from previous projects and stuff. Do I want to use any of these? Well, that one would make more sense to use because there's less on there. So do I want to use black boxes? Let's get another piece of this and decide. Yeah, I think I want to use black boxes. And we just put like a box, a staggering of boxes on the bottom. I think that sounds like a plan. I'm going to put the sharks in. Again, these are removable. So if you are the kind of person that struggles with commitment issues, i.e. me, then you can take them up and down off the page and it's fine. They are fine. We'll put her there. Mummy shark. I think I might put her there. Yeah, I want to leave space for the green thing. The green thing, you know, the green thing. And then baby shark can be here. And we'll put those in. He will go there. Box. Where was that box? See, now I'm just like, yes, this is coming together. Oh, yes. Oh, I love it. Hang on, let me just, you know, should I cut that now? Yes, cut it now. Because I need to remember to put the holes in. Don't know how well this will do because this is very different vinyl. Oh, cut it fine. Yes. So that needs a bit cutting out of it. If I do it now, then hopefully that will be done. Quick check. Oh, that one as well. And that one. And I've not cut that straight because that's how I roll. I don't cut things straight ever. I think it's just that one that's kind of missed. Okay, there we go. Yes. Oh, yes. And then we'll get some other boxes. See, now I'm like, what have you got? What have you got? Puppy is being a nightmare. Confiscated a stone that he's trying to eat. They don't get fed. Just in case you're wondering, they never get fed. They are starving puppies who never get fed. I've got one box on that sheet. I'm trying to use my stash. Like, if I have a few things left on one sheet, I want to use what's left on that sheet, kind of thing. Oh, don't take that one, take the other one. Sorry, hang on. Take them off this sheet. This one only has a few left. Oh, no, no, oh, that's sticking. That's going there. That's going there. Whether I want it to or not, that's going there. Yeah, let's do that one. Let's do that one. Okay, and then, oh, maybe he can go, oh, look at that. He can go there. We'll see. I don't think I like him down there, though, because maybe I can put some boxes up here. Yeah. Okay, let's just, no, hang on, hang on. Let's just take that off there. I need to sort out this page. I've got two vertically type boxes. And now I've done that, I think I want that over there. And then we put that there. Yes. That goes there. Yes, yes, this is coming together. I think that needs to go there, and we'll put a little quote or something there. Oh, that's where the starfish goes. Oh, that's not straight. Oh my god, that's so much. You stick it. No, don't. Good job there's a box going there, isn't there? Put them down straight. No, that one. That one first. That one. There. And that one sneaks in there. That's not straight either, but I'm just going to have to live with it. And then this, that goes in there, look. gonna have to cut the end off now. Scissors underneath a pile of sticker paper. Somebody wants to play. Can you tell? I think him. Hang on. Him. I've got a sticker hanging over the edge there from last week. I don't really want him there because then they're basically the same height. But he needs to go over here. Do I want him there? I think I want him there. Let's white out that line. White out. I did just order a new bunch of whiteout because I ran out of whiteout. What kind of noise is that? Wow. I think I want a quote. Where's the book? I'm happy with the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 7 boxes, so that's okay. Do I want these? Maybe? Let's take one and see how we feel. Does it need that on? Oh, it needs that on the bottom, doesn't it? It needs that, doesn't it? I didn't think I would be using these, but here we are. Put that little bit there because that's what we do. We save all the scraps and we put them in somewhere. These are really, I'm struggling to get them off the page. They've been in my stash far too long. Far too long. Okay. I think I want some, if I can cut off some individual bubbles. This is how you know you're losing your sanity, by the way, just in case you're wondering. Do they even have bubbles, sharks? Do sharks have bubbles? Questions I need answers right now. Do sharks have bubbles? I think I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave it. Let's put the starfish in. Now I feel the starfish. Oh, look at that. Starfish goes there. And then we put some quotes in. I just want it to be known that I am 52 years old. I'm 52 and I'm playing with Baby Shark in my planner. Do I need black? Does it need to be black? It needs to be black. White out. Why have I got 2 whiteouts? Sure. Now I need something similar on this side. Like those. I'm feeling the black. I think we need something black up here. That's not it. Maybe it's that. Or that. That's the same. Don't want that. Okay. It could be this. It could be that. It could be anything, to be fair. I'm actually going to take this, I think. Yeah, I'm going to take that. I'm going to cut it. I cut it because this is a monthly box, right? I cut that. And then maybe put another box up there. Oh, or see, why do we want that? We need something up here. Maybe it's just a quote. Maybe it's just a quote die. Maybe it's just a regular quote. Own who you are. It needs to be black like this. Live in the present. No, because that is a circle and there's no other circles. No, it's one of those boxes. Plan a life you love or trust the timing of your life. I'm going to choose trust the timing of your life. And that is going there. I could cut it. I could cut it. Do I want to cut this or put it in solid? I think I want to cut it. Oh God. Send help. Purely because this is cut and now I have to put them down in the correct order. I may regret this in a second. Who knew that this would be taking so long? And if I do this with this, I need to do it with the other one. And clearly I am doing it with this because I've done it. Oh God. Yeah, I think that makes more sense. I'm just not sure how I want it. How I want it. You know, things. I kind of like that there. That's too opposite. That is also a possibility. But I kind of like it here. Which means that's got to go up there. There. Yeah, I think we're just going to do it. This is going here. Let's do some white out around it because we did it with the other one. Yes. Trust the timing. I just think I might want it all on the same of your... These are not square either, which is kind of annoying me. Yeah, this needs to go over here. I might need to move him over a little bit. Thank God they are wall decals. Proof they come off the page really easily. Yeah, I think there. I might just cut them down a little bit. They're a bit thick. Just be thankful that this is not smell-o-vision because one of the dogs just farted. Yes, I think that's it. That took far too long and there's dog hairs underneath there. Of course there is. Let's just sticker squish everything down. Again, pen-wise, I'm thinking of using blue. Like a light blue, an ocean blue, a light blue, but nothing that's going to detract from him. Thinking of using blue. If I use black, it's going to be way too much. Thinking blue. All right, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Again, short week. I could have had two options. Who knew? But for stuff like this, the wall decals make so much sense. So much sense. And they come in different varieties. So if you're in Dollar Tree or if you have a Dollar Tree nearby, go to the wall decals. They're in the home improvement section where like paint scrapers and car stuff is. That's where you'll find them. At least that's where they are in mine. And just don't look at the first one. Have a look behind and see what they have behind the first one because sometimes they're all jumbled up. So yes, and then printable boxes. And then a few happy planner stickers. I love it. I love it. I love it. Am I crazy? Am I crazy? 52-year-old crazy lady doing baby shark in her journal. But here we are. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.